Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll see the another graph traversal method called as breadth first search. So at the end of this, after applying this method, at the end we'll get the minimum spanning tree of a given graph. Okay. So what is the procedure of a breadth first search? Check it out. In the breadth first search, we are going to make one vertex initially as a visited, or you can say it is a start vertex of the graph. Then we are going to visit the neighbor vertex of this visited vertex. After that, we are going to visit the neighbor vertex and so on. If they are not visited, we go on visit the neighbor vertex and so on. For this BFS, the given algorithm is first step in the algorithm, you are going to find the size of the queue. What is the size of the queue? Size of the queue is based on the number of vertices the graph has. So how many vertices the graph has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vertices. So the size of the queue is 7 here. So this is my queue size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, what is there in the second step? Select any vertex as a start vertex and insert into the queue. Assume that this is a front and this is a rear of the queue. Okay. So from front, I'm go on insert the visited vertices, initially visited vertices. So select any vertex as a start vertex and insert into the queue. So whatever vertex you select at the first stage initially, that you are going to make an entry in the queue. Next, repeat the step 4 and 5 until queue become empty. So once the queue become empty, what you get? You get the minimum spanning tree from this graph. Next, so you are going to repeat step 4 and 5 until you get a queue empty. So remove the front node n of queue. Okay. So first you are going to make an entry of the first node. Then in the fourth step you are going to remove that and you are going to add at the rear of the queue all the neighbors of n that are visited. So I will take an example. So take this as an example. So first I will make one as a visited. I am going to make an entry of that in a queue. Okay. So what is the queue front value? It is 1. Next I will check the neighbors of this one. So once I come to know what all are the neighbors of this one, I am going to insert according to the step 5. I am going to insert all those unvisited neighbors of this visited vertex. I am going to make an entry of all this from rear of the queue. So in the first step, I had entered the visited vertex. Next, according to the third step, I am going to delete this from the queue. Then I will make an entry of the neighbors of 1. What are the neighbors of 1? 2 and 3 from the rear. So 2 and 3 will come here. Next, after that, remove the front node n. So you are going to repeat these two steps. Now remove the front node n of the queue. Now I am going to remove the front node n, that is 2. So once I remove that, then I will add, I am going to add what? The neighbors of that removed node. So what are the neighbors here? 4 and 5 are the neighbors. So I am going to remove this from the queue. Next, I am going to enter the neighbors of this 2, that is 4 and 5 here. Next, what is the front of the queue? The front of the queue is 3 now. So I am going to check the neighbors of neighbors of these 3, and if those vertices are not yet visited, I am going to visit that. After visiting, I am going to delete this from the queue. So I am going to delete this from the queue. So from 3, I can visit what? 6 and 7. So I will going to make that entry in the queue. Next, after that, what is there in the front of the queue? It is 4. 4 is, what are the any neighbors the 4 has? No, it doesn't have any neighbors. So I am going to delete that from the queue. Next, 5. Next, 6. There are no neighbors. Next, 7. So this is the order that I get, the deleted order. Okay. So here, what are the inserted order of that? 1. Then I am going to insert 2, 3. Then I am going to insert 4, 5. Then I am going to insert 6, 7. So order of this BFS is, it is a level order. So however the tree level comes, So same entries or same insertion order you get here. Next we'll take one more example for this. Second example, the graph given has 7 vertices A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So what will be the size of my queue? It has 7 elements. So first I will create the block for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So which vertex you want to visit first? Mark it. Okay. So I will mark A as a start vertex. So I will make an entry of that in a queue according to the second step. After that, I am going to repeat the step 4 and 5 until the queue becomes empty. So now A I mark. What are the neighbors of A? B, D, E are the neighbors. So I am going to make an entry of these neighbors in the queue from a rear side, and I am going to delete the front element, remove the front node n from the queue. According to the step 4, I am going to delete this from the queue. So I will delete this, then I will make an entry of its neighbor. I will add the neighbors of this A from rear into the queue. So what are the neighbors of this A? B, then D, E. Okay. Next, according to the step number 4, remove the front node n of Q. So which is the front node here? Now B is the front node. So I am going to remove that. Then I must add what? I must add to the rear of the Q all the neighbors of n that are visited. So now what are the neighbors? So I deleted B. First I should check the neighbors of B. What are the neighbors of B? A is there, E is there. Okay. Next C is there. So A, E, C, among that A and E are already visited. Okay. Now the new vertex that I must visit, which is not yet visited, is C. So I will make an entry of that in the rear. Next, any other vertex left? No. Okay. Next, after that, what I am going to delete according to the fourth step, the front node of the queue, that is D. So after deleting this, I should add what? The neighbors of this D. What are the neighbors of this D? A and E. So A and E already visited. Okay. So no neighbors are added in the queue from this D. Next, after that, E is there. I am going to delete this E from the queue. So here, what are the neighbors of E? One is A, already visited, D already visited, B already visited. Next, C already visited. The new neighbor is F. So I am going to visit that. So F will come here. Next, for the next front node of the queue, that is C. So I am going to delete this C. Okay. So once I delete that, I must check the neighbors of that. What are the neighbors of this C? B is there, E is there, F is there, G is there. So B and E already visited. The unvisited vertices are F and G. So I will make an entry. F is also visited. Only the vertex that I must visit from C is G. So here G is a vertex, that new vertex which is visited now. Next, after that, I am going to delete F from the queue. What are the neighbors of F? E is there. Okay. Next, C is there, already visited. F is there, already visited. So there are G is there. G is also visited. So there is no new entry in the queue. Next, I am going to delete G here. Okay. So at the end, so now the queue is empty. I had deleted all the elements from the queue. Now queue become empty here. So at the end, as I said, I will get the minimum spanning tree. So as I said, once the queue become empty, we will get a minimum spanning tree from this BFS. So check out that tree. So first we visited what? A. From this A, we visited B, we visited D, then we visited E. Okay. Next, from B, so these are the vertices we visited when we marked A as a visited. So these are the neighbors of A. Next, the neighbors of B we had considered. So from B we had visited a C. Okay. Next, from D we had not visited any of the vertices. From E we had visited a vertex F. Okay. Next, from C, so from C we visited a vertex G. So this is a minimum spanning tree we get once the Q become a empty. We'll see one more example for this BFS. Okay, so this is a given graph. So how many vertices it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 vertices. So what is my Q size here? It contains 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, next. So I am going to visit a vertex A. I will mark this as a start vertex. I will make an entry of this in a queue according to the second step. What is the third step? I should repeat the step 4 and 5 until the queue becomes empty. So what is the fourth step here? Remove the front node n of Q. So what is the front node here? A is the front node. I am going to remove this. So after removing that, I must add to the rear of the Q the neighbors which are connected to this A. The neighbors of A. What are the neighbors of A? B and S are the neighbors. So I am going to add this in a Q. B and S. So from A I had visited B and I had visited S. Next, from B any vertices I can visit. So check it out. So any neighbors the B vertex has? No. So I'm going to delete this. Next, I am going to delete S from the front of the Q. So once I delete that, I must make an entry of a neighbors of S which are not yet visited. So what are the neighbors of S? A is there, A is already visited. Next, what are the other neighbors which are not yet visited? C and G are the neighbors. So I will make an entry of that in a Q, C and G. So from S I had visited C and G. After that, so what is the front vertex of the Q? C. I am going to delete this. So once I delete that, I should make an entry of neighbors of C. So what are the neighbors of C? D is there, E is there, F is there. So S is also the neighbor, but it is already visited. So unvisited neighbors are D, then E and F. So from C, I am going to visit what? D, E, F. Next, I am going to delete the next element from the front of the Q, that is G. So I am going to delete this. So I will check the neighbors of this G. What are the neighbors of G? S is there, F is there, and H is there. Where F is already visited, S is also visited, H is visited. No, it's not yet visited. So I will make an entry of that in a Q. Next, D. I am going to delete the D from the Q. So any unvisited vertices can I visit from this D? No. Next, because it doesn't have any neighbors. Next, E. Yes, its neighbors are C already visited and H is also visited. Next, I am going to delete F. Check out the neighbors of F. C already visited, G already visited. Okay. Next, check the neighbors of H. Neighbors of H are E and G already visited. So at the end, the minimum spanning tree that I get is A, B, S, C, D, E, F, from this G, then G to H. So this is a minimum spanning tree that I get from the BFS. Okay, so next we see the function for this BFS. Wide BFS, that is the breadth first search. The argument you are passing to this function is a vertex V. Next, the node pointer you had used is W. The front and rear of the Q is, initial value of the front and rear is null. Next, you are going to print the first vertex that you had visited, or you can say the starting vertex. In this case, it is A that you are going to print first. Okay. Next, you are going to make this start vertex as a visited vertex by setting its value to true. So visited is a array here, and V is nothing but the whatever vertex you set, take that become a visited of A equal to true, means A is visited here. Next, you are going to add that into a queue by calling the function add queue. So you are going to add this into the queue. So here we had added that into the queue. After that, we are going to execute the while loop. So what is the argument for this while loop? The front of the queue. So what is the front here? It is a year, A. So until you get the values in the front of the queue, you are going to repeat these steps. So V equal to delete from the queue. Okay, so V equal to delete from the queue. So what you are going to delete? The A you are going to delete, that is the V value here, delete from the queue, so it is a A. Next, for W is unvisited vertex, okay, that is nothing but a W. W equal to what? The graph of V. So you are going to check in a graph what are the neighbors of this V. So what is the V here? V is A. So what are the neighbors of A? B, yes. Okay, so that become a W value, that is unvisited. You are going to check only the unvisited vertices which are the neighbor of this V. Okay, so you are going to repeat this until you visit all the vertices. Okay, so first you are going to check once you find out the graph of a visited vertices. You are going to check the neighbors are visited or not. So if it is not visited, then you are going to visit that. Okay, so visited equal to what? W vertex. So visited equal to, you are going to visit B and you are going to visit S, because these are not yet visited. Okay, next you are going to print those vertices. So you are going to print those vertices. So what you are going to print? A, first you are going to print A, then you are going to print B and S. After that, you are going to add those in a queue. So by calling the add queue function, W vertices. So next we are going to add B and S into the queue. Okay. Next, visited W vertices equal to true. So next we are going to make the status of this B and S vertex as visited by setting its value to true. After that, again you are going to check the front of the queue. So what is the front of the queue? It has a B. Next, you are going to delete that from the queue and that you are going to assign to V. So now the V value is what? It is B in this case. Next, after that, you are going to enter the for loop. You are going to enter the for loop. So here W equal to graph of V. So the for loop, if it has more than one vertices, all are visited. Once all are visited, you are going to come out of the for loop. So again you are going to, it is in a while loop. So you are going to check the front of the queue. You are going to delete the front element of the queue assigned to V. So now V value is B. Next, W equal to graph of V. So graph of B you are going to check. So it doesn't have any neighbor. One neighbor it has, that is A, already visited. So what is the W value here? W graph of V? It has only this much. B neighbor is A. Okay. Next, you are going to repeat this until you visit all the unvisited vertices of this W. Okay. So if not visited W vertex, so its status is already visited. Okay. So you are directly coming out of this for loop. Okay. Next you are going to check the front of the queue. So what is the front of the queue? Yes, you are going to delete that and you are going to assign to V. Okay. So what is the V value? Yes. So we are going to check, we are going to consider the graph of S, the connected vertices of S. Then you are going to visit each of the unvisited vertices step by step. Okay. By marking it as a visited. Okay. So this is the function written for this DFS. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.